So I moved it to a new room, and guess what? No trash can. That was a bit of a problem, but it got me thinking, why not make something cool out of it? Here's the plan. We're using some electronic stuff, an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor, and a microcontroller board like Arduino. The board I'm using is a microcontroller board I personally made. For this project, you can create your own or use an Arduino. We're going to put these things together and make a trash can that's not just any old bin. Let's break down how each part plays a role in our trash can project. The ultrasonic sensor is like the eyes. It spots nearby objects. Now, the servo motor is the muscle. It's what lifts the lid. And the microcontroller board, think of it as the brain. It reads what the sensor sees and tells the motor when to lift and close the lid. So in simpler terms, the eyes see, the brain decides, and the muscle lifts, all working together to make our cool trash can. To begin with, let's get those wires connected. If you're following along, feel free to screenshot the schematic diagram on your screen. It's like our project's blueprint. Once the wires are in place, we're going to write a sample code for our trash can. After putting the code together, we upload it to the microcontroller, and here comes the exciting part, testing it out. For those who want to try this themselves, you can find the Arduino code and wiring diagram in the link in the description. I posted everything you need there, the schematic diagram and the code to bring this project to life. Now that our electronic side is all set, it's time to shift gears to the physical part of our project, the actual body of the trash can. We're diving into the hands-on work. First off, we measure the pieces of wood carefully. Think of it like putting together a puzzle. Each piece needs to fit just right. After that, we start cutting the wood. It's like sculpting, but with wood. Once all the pieces are ready, we use nails and wood glue to put everything together. It's a bit like building a wooden fortress, but way more fun. Now, when all the wood is stuck together and solid, we make sure it looks good. A little bit of sanding here and there. And maybe a touch of paint to give our trash can a neat finish. It's like giving it a nice outfit, making sure it looks presentable in its new home. So, our trash can is not just smart, it's also got some style. With the wooden frame looking spiffy, we bring back the electronic parts. We fit them snugly into the wood, making sure everything is secure. Then, we test it again to ensure our high-tech trash can works just as smoothly inside its new wooden skin. It's like making sure the engine runs smoothly in a well-designed car. The trash can was officially a smart automated gadget. The best part? When you get close, the lid opens up on its own. It's like magic. Turning a simple trash can into something that looks cool and does its job with a touch of tech, that's the idea. And you know what? It's pretty awesome. In the culmination of this inventive journey, the convergence of technological prowess and aesthetic finish has given rise to an extraordinary creation, a trash bin that transcends its conventional role. The orchestrated synergy of ultrasonic sensor, servo motor, and microcontroller board has birthed an intelligent receptacle, a responsive companion in the form of a beautifully crafted wooden bin. as it gracefully unfurls its lead in response to our proximity. A subtle marvel unfolds, redefining the mundane act of disposing of waste. This eloquent fusion of innovation not only elevates the ambience of the room, but also instills a newfound sense of convenience and sophistication. The elegantly choreographed dance of electrons and woodwork transforms a basic necessity into an object art, where the simplicity of throwing garbage becomes a seamless dance with technology, rendering the mundane extraordinary.